Okay, we have a couple more to do for 932. First, we're going to continue to just think about nonlinear inequalities. And so, first one, we would have an exponential function. So we know that the original number is 4, and then your multiplier is 1.15. And so you could just go through and take 4 times 1.15 times 1.15 times 1.15. And then you can plot those points. And when you do, you'll see that it's going up. And so you want everything less than that. So this should have been a dotted line. You can see I thought about that later, but since it doesn't have an or equal to, this would be dotted. And then it can continue down. My drawing is horrible. If you use Desmos, it'll look a little better. But you want everything less than that, so you would shade below. Now this is a crazy form. We haven't really seen a form like this before. And so what I did is I went through and like made it look like more what we were used to. You could do it that way, or things that are good to know is that whatever number is here is going to be your x value of your vertex. Well, the opposite of your x value. So since it's -6, your vertex will be at 6. And then this tells you how much it shifts up from the axis. So it would be 3/4. And so you could put an ordered a point there. And then you can, oh, I forget how to get these other 2 points. Anyway, you could use this, or I'm okay if you use Desmos on this. That way you can figure out how to do this. But yeah, sorry that I right now I can't remember where those other points came from. Oh, your y-intercept is 9 3/4, so it was here. And then since I went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the vertex, then if I go 6 in the opposite direction, I can also go to 9 3/4, and that makes the parabola. Sorry, totally spaced out there. And you want all the numbers greater than that. And so if you think above or below the graph, it's going to be above it. And so there is that one, and it's going to be a solid line because it's greater than or equal to, or a solid, connection. And then here, if you just have x is less than 2, remember when it's an x, it's a vertical line, and so the vertical line is going to be at 2. Since it's less than 2, you're going to use a dotted line, and then you want everything less than that, so you shade to the left. And that's how you do 932.